Hey everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Accurate Addicted channel, helping you to navigate in the world of automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews. Today I'll show you how to install a backup camera with the output to a rear view mirror, which you can do practically in any car that doesn't have a backup camera. I found this mirror on Amazon and we decided to try it for my friend Sasha's Volkswagen Jetta, but the mirror has a set of mounts that theoretically would work for any major car brand. Later we confirmed this by reinstalling the same system on a Hyundai Accent. The basic idea is to hook up the camera wiring into the backup light, so it powers the loop as soon as you put the car in reverse, so the image appears on your rear view mirror. The camera also has LEDs built into it with an ambient sensor, so when it's dark, the LEDs light up and you can see easier. There are also splicing tools in the kit that you can use to splice into your car's wiring. We didn't use it for the Jetta, but we used it later on for the Accent. Obviously, before you begin, you want to make sure the camera works with the mirror. So connect all the cables and wires together and power it up by connecting directly to your 12-volt battery. The image should appear on the mirror. Here's a list of tools you need to complete this job. The rear view mirror with the camera kit. A variety of screwdrivers and small ratchets with sockets depending on what you have to remove from your car in order to install the wiring. A set of plastic trim tools which will help you a lot to tuck the cable away under the trim. Electrical tape for wiring and installation. Possibly a knife to cut holes or small pieces of trim in order to fit the cable. A decent work light. Let's roll! I won't be commenting much on the progress as it is self-explanatory for the most part. The backlight is fixed here, so I'll need to get the wires from the trunk somehow. We can use these guides to hide the cables. Here I'm removing the trim to get to the opening handle, as the cable will go through it to the outside. I'm making a small cut here to fit the cable to avoid additional stress on it. The camera has the standard license plate attachment, but you can also mount it separately if you want or need. Here I'm laying the cable alongside with the car wiring, so everything is neat and clean. More trim needs to be removed. We decided it's best to guide the cable on the top under the weather strips. Just working through the middle pillar. Taking a break with some Timmy's, sponsored by Sasha. And continue with the front door. Now the A pillar and the top of the windshield. Removing the DVR. The 407 highway transponder and the OEM mirror. Now installing the new bracket and the mirror. Looks like it rattles a little bit. I removed the mirror and tightened the securing bolt to get rid of the rattle. Now, unfortunately, the mirror cable is very short before it goes into the connector, and it's really hard to hide the connector because there's not enough space under the trim. So it is what it is, but you can only see it at a certain angle. Okay, we're all set here. Let's get back to the trunk and splice our camera wires into the backup light. I'm going to do it through the connector. Let's test the voltage first to make sure we know which wires to use. Put the car in reverse and stick the probes into the connector. Bingo! Now let's try it with the camera wires. Does it work? Yes. Okay, just jam the wires into the connector and put the connector back. Let's check it one last time. Yep, it works. The image is decent and it has parking lines drawn onto it to indicate relevant distance on the image. You need to calibrate the camera to make sure you understand what those lines correspond to. You can also remove the lines by cutting an auxiliary wire in the harness. Time to put everything back together, and don't forget to angle the camera the way it works best for you. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos on this channel. And as always, drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time.